Alright, I'm in the front door. The number is 219 and this is SATIVA Cottage room tour. Without further ado, let's go. The door is open and as soon as I stand in front of the door, this is what I'm gonna see. Couch, table, TV over there on the wall, and the balcony down over there. And this is the closet. Let me open it up. I can see there is a clothes hanger here, and then down below is nothing. Open this up. Well, it seems there's so many clothes hanger here. Then let me open this one. This one, there is like a fridge bar in there. Let me open it up. It is still empty. I bet you're gonna fill it up yourself. And there's some big drawer here. Let me open it up. Yeah, it's so spacey and so big. Let me close it down. And the next step, yes, this is the bed, king size bed. There are 2 pillows here, and check out this nightstand. You can find there's some switches there, candle, beautiful lamp. Then to the left side here, wooden stool, and it's so traditional. So there are 2 nightstands, and over there there's some plugging as well, telephone. And then to my right over here, there is the desk, and there is a beautiful light as well, mirror here, flat screen TV mounted on the wall, and this is electric kettle, 2 glasses. And then more table in here, and this is the view over there. I'm gonna take you to the bathroom before I show you the balcony. This is the bathroom. Honestly, welcome to the bathroom everyone, and you can find the single sink, some soap, shampoo, glasses, mirror. Hey, that's me. Toilet paper in here. Down under you can find trash can. Now this is the toilet. Well, let's check out the toilet. Not too shabby, it's very good. Toilet paper over there, paused. And there is a window here. Glass window, and this is the bathtub. Bathtub says it's pretty large, which is good. A little bit roomy, and over there is a floating rack for your towel. Then I'm gonna walk down to the balcony area. We'll show you the balcony, and I can see there 1 round table in here, 1 round table with marble on the top of the table, 2 chairs, and this is pretty flower, and there is a towel rack over there. Then this is the views you're gonna get from the room. You can see the swimming pool, it's so tropical, so many trees, flowers. And the restaurant is over there. I bet it's a breakfast restaurant for customers. And I'm gonna walk down, show you the swimming pool. Okay, let's take a walk downstairs. All right, the door is open. So the room is on the second floor. So this hotel is located in Sanur. It's on Cemara Street. Ta-da! Welcome to the swimming pool area, everybody. So far I can see there's so many customers in there. Hello, what's up? Good morning. And there is a little swimming pool here with shallow water, and the restaurant is over there, and then more room over there. Selamat pagi. Ya, apa kabar?
Baik, Bapak, apa kabar?
Ya, bagus. And this is the restaurant. Let's check out its menu in there. Along lemongrass, cooled mangoes, satay ayam, sativa sandwich, smashed fried chicken, nasi tempong soto ayam. And this is the restaurant. It's pretty cool. And this is the towel rack made of wood, beautiful shape. And over there is the pool bar. It seems it's still closed. And this is the swimming pool. How are you? How's your morning?
Absolutely beautiful.
And let's check. I'm gonna take a walk around here, show you a little bit. I'm gonna walk over here. Well, it's so green, nice, and it's very peaceful. I can hear the chirping bird, but I don't see any bird. Well, actually it's over there. I can see there's several tiny small birds. They're on the trees. So those are the rooms. And this is the swimming pool from this angle. It's very traditional style, which I like a lot. And have a look at these trees. They're so very healthy. And I like this flower. It's so white. And I can see there's several small animals around the flowers. I don't know what kind of animal. Let me take a look close up. Oh, I can't see them. And take a look at this flower pot. It's so huge. And that is the stairs to the second floor. So the room I was just showing you is over there, straight over there in that building over there, and they're all the same. And according to the hotel staff, the room on the second floor, they are a little bit bigger compared to downstairs. And have a look at this ball. Check out this ball. I want to play ball anyway. Wow, the ball is running. Ball is running. Hello, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Hello, good morning. And this is, I don't know what kind of flower is this one. Check this out. I think it's beautiful. And this is, it's not really white, like creamy white, and this is like I mean, it's beautiful hot pink. That's what I'm gonna say, guys. Yeah. Oh my God, take a look at this. There is an island, and there is a stair here. This is an island. I'm gonna walk on the island. Gonna step on here. Wow, I'm on the island right now. I am on the small islands, and there is beautiful tree. Oh my God, I can see a nest. There is a bird nest, and this is a bird nest. So there are two bird nests in here, and that one is too good. I'm pretty sure the bird is sleeping over there. And this is another small island. I want to jump, but I'm afraid I can't make it. And there is one coconut tree on this round island. Beautiful flower here. I think I'm gonna jump. Let me try. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, I made it. I made it, guys. Well done. I did good. And this one here. Oh, what is this? I don't know what is this. This must be a floating thing you can use here. I put here. Oh, let me rotate it. Rotate it. It's rotating. Oh my God, this is rotating. Rotatable. Well, it's gonna be nice to sit in here. I don't really a good swimmer, so yeah. And there is a light in here. This is the light. It's gotta be nice in the night time. And the skies is so white. It's so forecast. It was raining this morning. And I think I'm gonna walk down to the lobby area. We'll show you the lobby area, guys. So this is the way to the lobby area. Walk up through some stairs. It's beautiful, nice breeze. Nice and cool. Well, finally made it to the lobby area. And check this out there. There's so many couches. Oh, take a look at this cow. This is pretty. I like the cow. It's very good job. It's look really to the life. And this is the couch seating area in the lobby. And let's check out the views from here. Yeah, I can see the swimming pool. And this is very beautiful. Wow, check this out. This sculpture is so amazing. So this is the views from the lobby area. I'm gonna walk down to the front area. We'll show you the parking area. And oh wow, there are more and more couch. I like this round table here. Very nice bar, stool bar, whatever you call it. And let's take a walk in there. I am now walking down to the car park. I can see there's so many push bike in there. Look like someone is going to ride a push bike. Hello, good morning. So pretty. Pretty push bike, pretty lady, pretty color.
Pretty husband.
And pretty husband. Where are you gonna go to ride this morning?
Maybe the beach.
The beach? Wow. Enjoy.
Thank you.
So the street is over there. This is scooter park over there. And the car park is over here. And let me show you the views from here. That is the sign, Sativa Cottage, Sanur. And straight over there is to the swimming pool or to the road. And I want to show you the fish pond in there. Oh my gosh. Red, pretty fish. And beautiful water fountain. Well, everyone, this is my video for today. Hopefully you'll enjoy this, and as per usual, I want to say thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, take care, and don't forget to keep smiling.